Dear sister, as I sit down to pen this heartfelt message, I am overwhelmed with joy and gratitude for having you as my sister. Today, I want to extend my warmest and most sincere wishes to you. Life is an incredible journey, and I am privileged to be sharing it with someone as amazing as you. On this special occasion, I hope to express just how much you mean to me and send you my best wishes. From the moment we were born into this world as siblings, we embarked on a lifelong adventure together. Through thick and thin, you have been my constant companion, my confidant, and my biggest supporter. Your unwavering love and unwavering belief in me have propelled me forward, and I am eternally grateful for the bond we share. Today, as we celebrate another milestone in your life, I am filled with immense pride for all that you have accomplished. Your determination, resilience, and sheer brilliance have allowed you to conquer every challenge that came your way. I have watched you grow into a strong and independent individual, and I have no doubt that you will continue to achieve great things. On this special day, I wish for you a life filled with boundless joy, laughter, and love. May your path be strewn with success and happiness, and may you find fulfillment in all your endeavors. Remember that the world is your oyster, and there are no limits to what you can achieve. Dream big, aim high, and trust in your abilities, for you have the power to make a difference. As your sister, I have had the privilege of witnessing your growth and transformation over the years. I have seen you evolve into a remarkable person, with a compassionate heart and a brilliant mind. Your kindness and empathy touch the lives of those around you, and I know that you will continue to make a positive impact wherever you go. In the journey of life, we often face obstacles and setbacks. But I want you to know that you are never alone. Whenever you need a shoulder to lean on or a listening ear, I will be there for you. Our bond is unbreakable, and no matter the distance or circumstances, my love and support for you will endure. On this auspicious day, I also want to remind you to take time for yourself. Embrace self-care and nourish your soul. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Pursue your passions and indulge in the things that bring you joy. Life is too precious to be spent solely on work and responsibilities. Take moments to appreciate the beauty that surrounds you and find solace in the simple pleasures of life. As you step into the future, remember to stay true to yourself. Your authenticity and uniqueness are what make you extraordinary. Embrace your quirks and embrace the person you are becoming. Trust in your instincts, follow your heart, and believe in your abilities. You have so much potential within you, and the world is eagerly waiting to witness your brilliance. Finally, dear sister, I want you to know that I am incredibly proud to call you my sister. You have been a constant source of inspiration and joy in my life. Today, I join our family and friends in celebrating you and wishing you all the happiness in the world. May your path be illuminated with love, success, and countless beautiful memories. With all my love and best wishes. Asha.